Hi, John. Okay, so now the oil is settled. Check the last bit of the oil. You can see it's all filled up to the top. And good. Dripping has gone through the corners. And that's done for the oil change. Clean up the stick. And yeah, okay, finally done. I'll check back out for you when we see what we can do next. Bye.